Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for JNUG. On Friday, it closed down 1.7% on the 1-hour chart. We are still in negative MACD territory and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI. If we expand that to the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD territory and we see slight signs of it converging, and we're also off of oversold conditions on the RSI. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we have now reached to negative MACD, and we did breach below the 100-day moving average, this orange line, and we have not quite hit oversold on the RSI yet. So for my trade idea of the week, what we have here is my position size is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $111.48, which is this range right there. And my sell target for my long positions at $133.59, and that is that range there. And that coincides with past support levels. And since we're below support levels, that now act as our resistance to the upside. So my stop loss will be $102.84, and that is that range there. As for the day-by-day probability model, as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for JNUG to climb between 0 to 25%, and to the downside, a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 25%. So for JDST on Friday, it did close above around 2% on the 1-hour chart. We are slightly in negative MACD territory and we're off of overbought conditions on the RSI. For the daily chart, we see it diverge back in September 24th, and we are resting right along the 18 moving average, this purple line, so that is acting as our temporary support in the meantime, and we're off of overbought conditions on the RSI. If we expand that once more to the daily chart, we have now broken beyond the 50-day moving average, so that will act as our future support level. So for the trade idea for JDST, what we have here is position size is going to be less than 1%, and my entry will be at $10.62, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and the 9-day moving average, this blue line. That would be my short entry, or I should say entry into JDST, I should say. And my sell target for that position is at $12.08, and that is that range there. And my stop loss will be at $10.37. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 25% chance for JDST to climb between 0 to 5%, and to the downside, we have a 75% chance for JDST to fall between negative 5% to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.